Welcome to Punggol, a vibrant waterfront town in Singapore, known for its modern developments, scenic parks, and unique wildlife encounters. But amidst the rapid urban growth, a fascinating story is unfolding, one of coexistence between humans and monkeys. Once a quiet area with lush greenery, Punggol was home to rich biodiversity, including a large population of long-tailed macaques. But with the rise of new homes, MRT stations, and a university, space has become scarce, not just for humans, but for wildlife too.
I was shocked when I came home and found my kitchen in a mess. The monkeys had taken my bananas.
They are curious, but sometimes it's a little scary when they enter our homes uninvited.
Monkeys have been spotted on roads, climbing buildings, and even sneaking into apartments. Some see them as a nuisance, while others view them as part of Punggol's natural heritage.
As we urbanize, these monkeys lose their natural habitat and turn to human settlements for food. It's important to find ways to coexist rather than simply remove them.
Authorities have responded by setting up traps, which has sparked debates. Are we displacing them, or are they adapting to human presence? Many believe the solution lies in education and better urban planning. Here's how residents can safely coexist with monkeys. 1. Keep food indoors and secure your trash bins. 2. Avoid feeding them. It encourages aggressive behavior. 3. Install window mesh to prevent unwanted visits.
I believe we should learn to live with them, not fear them. After all, Punggol is their home too.
If we respect nature, nature will respect us.
The story of Punggol is one of change, adaptation, and shared space. As the town grows, so too must our understanding of the wildlife that calls it home. Can we find harmony in this evolving landscape? The answer lies in how we choose to coexist. What do you think? Should we embrace these monkeys as part of Punggol's identity? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more stories on urban wildlife.